Hey guys,
It's Mike,
and Renee.
and we're middle-aged road rage. So we just got back from a 1,000-mile ride in 4 days. It was quite something.
Yeah, but we wouldn't have been able to make this ride if it weren't for one thing and one thing only. The Airhawk.
The Airhawk was a savior. They say that you could double your riding time. I would go with that.
Yeah, I have to say I agree wholeheartedly. And you know, Mike, I don't think it matters really what kind of bike you have, right? If you're touring or adventure, they have so many different styles available.
Yeah, they make something for almost every bike, so they should be able to cover you.
Now, the size we bought covered our seat pretty well, didn't you think?
I thought it was all right.
Yeah, it was all right. All right. I mean, it doesn't replace an aftermarket seat, but it certainly took the pressure off of my butt. Usually I can only make it about, an hour and a half without ruching around. And I feel this kind of increased our seat time. Would you agree?
Yeah, so I don't know about you guys, but this Goldwing seat on the Gen 6 is maybe the worst saddle I've ever sat on.
And we all know about those bricks on Gen 6. Well, leave a comment. Do you guys have an Airhawk? Have you tried one? Let us know below.